Hi everyone, this is a quick look at the Hope Woodturning 30mm to 1" reducer sleeve. Quite a useful little accessory if you want to put your old tool posts into your new 30mm wide tool rest. So I picked up this useful little reducer sleeve when I got my new full-size lathe, which has a 30mm diameter tool rest, and so this just meant that I could use some of my old 1" diameter tool posts in my new lathe. Those of you that want some more specific and detailed dimensions, obviously the outside diameter is 30mm and the inside diameter is 1", a true 1", 25.4mm. And there's just a few other measurements there, so its overall length is about 45mm. The small lip on the top is just 5mm deep, and the diameter of the whole lip is 50mm across. There's a notch there allowing you to align it up and secure your tool post. So obviously, as I've shown you in my previous videos, this lathe comes with a 30mm diameter tool rest, and quite simply this reducer sleeve just slots in, and if you just align up the notch with your tool rest securing bolt, that'll just seat really nicely. And it just means that you know, rather than not be able to use your old tool rests, so this comes off the Axminster Craft AC355 lathe. It's just a smaller tool rest, and that just slots in nice and securely. You know, no play whatsoever, really snug. Which means you know, the money that you spent on accessories from a previous lathe, you can now use on your full-size lathe. Again, this was a Evolution tool post, slightly wider, with a sort of cylinder bar on the top, which has its uses. And then I've also got the woodcut bowl saver. Now this, when you buy it, doesn't actually come with a tool post, because obviously each of us have got different lathes, each with different size tool post diameters. So I'd originally bought the 1" tool post, and rather than have to go out and buy a 30mm tool post, it made much more sense to get this reducer sleeve, and that just again slots in really nicely. And I will do a video for this bowl saver set at some point. That's just a height locking collar for when you put your bowl saver device on there. So all in all, quite a useful little bit of kit. Took a bit of time to find it, because when I was looking for it, I didn't exactly know what it was called, but Simon Hope calls it a reducer sleeve, and it's done the job really well. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and please feel free to leave any comments. My name's Kim, this is OneLifeDesigns. Stay safe.